Hi, I'd like to take a few minutes to show you how to find and get the information for student logins for ACT, the username and password, as at this point, I don't believe they are visible to the room supervisor when they have logged in. So this way you could have a list printed. You may want to share that with room supervisors. You may not. So let's take a look at the Aspire Pearson Access Next site. I am going to make sure that I am going to do this. Well, we'll do this for West High School. So in West High School, I'm going to go to reports. I'm going to go to operational reports. And once there, I'm going to click on online testing, which gives me a series of reports. The one I'm concerned with today is the session roster. It's going to list all students in every session. The operational report itself is going to be, I have to download the report. And you may end up getting a choice of what information you want, like the early high school 9 or early high school 10, but it will give you all the sessions for each of the grades. So you only have to have 2 of these particular documents. So on the top, it's got West, it's got the Wisconsin Aspire, and English early high school 10 is this particular test. Now I'm going to get rid of some of this information, but I want to show you a couple different things. So first of all, I'm going to get rid of the school name, the organization number. I'm going to keep the session name here because that's a critical piece that we want to focus on. I'm going to make that larger. I'm going to keep the English, the test name. I'm going to get rid of the test code. I'm just talking through this so that you can see it. Student ID number is their state ID number. It is not the MMSD number. So I'm going to just put that in place, student name, where the testing process is, and then username and password. Now, you'll notice a couple things happening. First of all, they are long, I believe they are 10-digit numbers as the username. So please have students be careful when they're type this in. This is on their ticket. So this should all be set ready for them, as is the password. The password is, most of them are alphanumeric. However, you'll see that there is one right here that is just numeric. That is correct. That's what is on the ticket. Now, if I continue to search and I look through all of these, I'm going to find one that might stand out as being a little bit different. And here is one. If you are mathematically inclined, you will end up thinking, wow, that number is a big number, because what this is saying is 6.97 raised times 10 to the 94th. So that is a lot of digits. What the problem is that when you download a password, or in this case, a password, you will find that Excel takes the letter E in certain positions and actually converts that to an exponent. So here is what really the password is. I'm going to type that in. I'm going to make this a little bit larger so you see that. Okay, so right here, what the password really is, if you were to look in the student ticket, is 697, lowercase e, 92. You'll notice that the decimal point right here has been changed. And when I do this, it changes it to the same number. So if I'm going to keep this, instead of putting it in a scientific mode, I want to put this into a text mode. I'm going to get rid of this and then rewrite the number. In fact, let me see if I can actually work this in the, yeah, no, it's not going to work that way. So 697 E9, excuse me, 92 is the student's password. So that's the only unusual thing that you will find in this list. I'm going to share this with the vendor and with the state so that hopefully we can get some changes, but I doubt that will happen by Tuesday. So I'm going to stop there. If you have any questions or concerns or comments, please let me know. I'm here for you, and we look forward to a smooth testing day next week. Thank you.